In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, go ahead and log into your Pipedrive account. You'll want to access your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a menu option labeled My Account. Click on that to proceed. Now, after you've clicked on My Account, a variety of settings will pop up. What you want to look for is the option that says Personal Preferences. This is where you'll find all the settings relating to your personal account, so go ahead and click on Personal Preferences. Once you're in the Personal Preferences section, you will find several options to customize your experience. The next step is to locate the Interface Preferences. This is where you can make adjustments to how the Pipedrive interface looks. After you click on Interface Preferences, you'll see an area dedicated to appearance adjustments. Now, here comes the fun part, switching to dark mode. Look for the theme drop-down menu. It's usually pretty easy to find. Click on it and you should see a couple of options, including light and dark. Since we're aiming for that sleek, low-light aesthetic, go ahead and select the dark option. If you ever decide you'd prefer the standard light theme in the future, you can always switch it back to that option whenever you want. After you've made your selection, it's important to remember one final step. Look for the Save button. You'll want to click that to apply and lock in your new dark mode workspace. This ensures that your changes are permanent until you decide to change them again. And that's it. You've successfully activated dark mode in Pipedrive. For those of you who spend long hours in front of the screen, switching to dark mode not only gives your interface a fresh look, but can also reduce eye strain. It's a great way to enhance your overall user experience while managing your tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, customizing your workspace to fit your style can make your daily tasks a lot more enjoyable. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on dark mode, feel free to drop a comment below. Lastly, don't forget that there are tons of other features in Pipedrive that can make your workflow easier. Keep exploring and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.